Our objective in this lesson is to add and subtract polynomials. The knowledge on like and unlike terms is a prerequisite in today's lesson. You may watch my video lesson on this topic with the link at the upper right. The only question you have to remember in this lesson is, are they like terms? Because only like terms may be add or subtract. First example. To avoid confusion, I suggest you use vertical or column method. Simply align like terms in the same column. And then, look at the literal coefficients and ask yourself, are they like terms? Meaning, are they exactly the same? If the answer is yes, simply copy the literal coefficient and then add the numerical coefficient. There is an invisible one here. So 8 plus 1 is 9, so the answer is 9x. Another one. So let us use the vertical or column method. And c cube is the same with c cube, so we simply copy c cube. Then let us perform the operation here. 12 plus negative 9. Plus minus, when simplified, will become minus. So this is 12 minus 9. And 12 minus 9 is equal to 3. So our answer is 3c cubed. Next one. CV, CV, CV. So let us align them in one column. So let us copy the literal coefficient, CV, and let us perform the operation on the numerical coefficient. So 6 plus 17 plus negative 13. 6 plus 17 as is, plus minus when simplified will become minus. So this is 6 plus 17 minus 13. 6 plus 17 is 23, and 23 minus 13 is 10. So our answer is 10 CV. Another one. Let us align this. Let's write 5cz first, and then plus negative 3cz, another negative 3cz. And how about this? This is cy. We cannot align it here. So let us simplify this one first. Let us copy zz. And then we have 5 plus negative 3 plus negative 3. So plus minus will become minus, and also this one will become minus. So we have 5 minus 3 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2, and 2 minus 3 is negative 1. No need to write 1. Let us just write the negative. And then we simply copy this, plus 14cy. Let us continue. Number 5. We have 3 expressions here. So let us write the first one. Let us align the second expression. 8x squared would be in this column. And then the constant plus 9. Third expression, negative 14xy. So in the column of xy, negative 14xy. First expression, second expression, third expression. Let us perform the operation for x squared. This is 11 plus 8. And this is equal to 19. So we have 19x squared. Now for xy, we have 5 plus negative 14. Plus minus, when simplified, will become minus. So 5 minus 14. And this is negative 9. So we have negative 9xy. And then for the constants, negative 6 plus positive 9. Plus plus, when simplified, will become plus. So negative 6 plus 9. Negative 6 plus 9 is 3. So we have plus 3. Last one. Again, 3 expressions. Let's write the first one. Let us align the second expression, 5y squared. So in the column of y squared. xy is just the same as yx. So I'll rewrite this as negative 2yx. So I'll place it here in the column of yx. And then third expression, negative yx here. And 6y squared in the column of y squared. Let us perform the operation for y squared. This is negative 7 plus 5 plus 6. Negative 7 plus 5 is negative 2 plus 6 is positive 4. So we have 4y squared. Now for yx, we have negative 8 plus negative 2 plus negative 1. So plus minus will become minus, plus minus also minus. So negative 8 minus 2 minus 1. Negative 8 minus 2, negative 10 minus 1, negative 11. So negative 11 yx. And then for the constant, 15 plus nothing in here, 15 plus 0. And this is 15. So plus 15. Now, let us have subtraction of polynomials. Same concept with addition, only this time we have to subtract. First example, so let us rewrite this. And then let us look at the literal coefficients. The question is, are they like terms? And yes, they are. So we simply copy x, and then let us perform the operation here. 19 minus 8 is 11. So we have 11x. Number 2, let us rewrite this. Same literal coefficients, we simply copy c cubed. Let us perform the operation here. 12 minus negative 9. Two consecutive same signs when simplified will become plus. So this will be 12 plus 9, and this is 21. So we have 21c cubed. Number 3, let us rewrite this. Same literal coefficients, let us copy pq. Let us perform the operation. Negative 6 minus negative 6. So again, this will become plus. So negative 6 plus 6, and that is 0. If the answer is 0, we simply write 0, no more literal coefficient. Number 4, let us rewrite this. So same literal coefficients, let us copy a squared b. Let us perform the operation here. 6 minus 9 minus negative 4. So this will become plus. So 6 minus 9 plus 4. 6 minus 9 is negative 3 plus 4 is positive 1. No need to write 1. So our answer is a squared b. Another one. Let us align this. We have negative 2xyz. And then minus negative 3xyz. And then this one is xyz squared. We cannot align it here. So let us simplify this one first. Let us copy xyz. And then we have negative 2 minus negative 3. So this one will become plus. Negative 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. No need to write 1. So we only have xyz. And then we simply copy negative 7 xyz squared. Let us continue. Number 5, let us subtract this expression from this expression. Remember that in my video lesson on translating verbal phrase to mathematical phrase and vice versa, I mentioned that from is a switch word. So this means we have to write first the second expression. And then minus. Let us align the first expression. We have here 11x squared, so in this column. And then 5xy here. And then the constant, negative 6. Let us perform the operation for x squared. 8 minus 11. And that is equal to negative 3. So negative 3x squared. For xy, we have negative 14 minus positive 5. So different signs when simplified will become minus. So negative 14 minus 5. And this is negative 19. So negative 19 xy. For the constants, we have 9 minus negative 6. Same signs, this will become plus. So 9 plus 6, and this is 15. So plus 15. Last one. So let us find the difference of this expression and this expression. So let us write first this one and align the second expression, m squared n squared. So here, mn. So here, negative 4mn. And then constant. We do not have mn squared. So we are going to write the constant somewhere here. Now, let us perform the operation for m squared n squared. So this will be 9 minus 8, and that is 1. No need to write 1, so we simply copy the literal coefficient m squared n squared. For mn, we have an invisible 1 here, so negative 1 minus negative 4. So same signs will become plus negative 1 plus 4, and that is 3. So plus 3mn. Here, 7 minus nothing. So that would be 7 minus 0 and is still 7. So plus 7mn squared. For the constant, we have here nothing. So that would mean 0 minus positive 5. Different signs will become minus. So 0 minus 5, negative 5. So minus 5. Let us do some extra challenge. Subtract 7p plus 4q from the sum of 15p minus 4q and 9p plus 11q. From, again, is a switch word, so we have to perform first the operation here. So let us get the sum of these two expressions, 15p minus 4q, and then 9p plus 11q. So let us perform the operation here. 15 plus 9, and that is 24, so 24p. And then negative 4 plus positive 11, same signs will become plus negative 4 plus 11, and this is equal to 7. So plus 7q. But wait, we are not yet done. Remember, we still have to subtract 7p plus 4q. So minus 7p plus 4q. Let us perform the operation for p, 24 minus 7, and that is 17. So we have 17p. And then 7 minus positive 4, different signs will become minus. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So we have plus 3q. This is our final answer. Number 2, what must be added to this expression to obtain this expression? So the technique here is we are going to subtract the first expression from the second one. Let's do that. So this is the second expression. Let us align the first expression, 11p squared. And then we have negative 4pq. And then we have q squared. So here. So let us subtract. 2 minus 11 is negative 9. So negative 9p squared. Positive 3 minus negative 4 will become positive 3 plus 4, and that would be 7pq. Negative 1 minus 0 is still negative 1. So negative p squared q squared. And then 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2q squared. And then let us check our answer. To do that, we are going to add this expression. Remember, the question is, what must be added to 11p squared minus 4pq plus q squared? So let us write this one, and then let us add our answer. Let us see if we are going to obtain this expression. So let us add them. 11 plus negative 9 will become 11 minus 9, and that is 2p squared. Negative 4 plus positive 7 will become negative 4 plus 7, and that is 3pq. And then 0 plus negative 1 is negative 1. So negative p squared q squared. And then 1 plus 2 is 3, so we have 3q squared. Notice that the answer is the same with the second expression. So, again, what must be added to this expression? This one. So we added this one, our previous answer, to obtain this expression. And we were able to obtain this expression. Therefore, it means that our answer is correct. Another one. What is the perimeter of a square whose side length measures 2x squared minus 3x plus 5? We know that a square has 4 equal sides. So we are just going to add 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 4 times. So let us add. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 8. So 8x squared. Negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3 plus negative 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. Negative 12x. 5, 10, 15, 20 plus 20. So the perimeter of a square whose side length measures 2x squared minus 3x plus 5 is 8x squared minus 12x plus 20 units. Here are some quick tips. Now it is time to check your understanding. Pause this video for more time. Let us answer. What is the perimeter of the rectangle with a length 5x squared minus 3x plus 6 and width is 7x minus 10? So let us draw first a rectangle. This is usually labeled as L, which stands for length, and this one is W. So you will see that a rectangle has 2 lengths and 2 widths. So the formula is perimeter is equal to 2L plus 2W. So this means we need twice of the length and twice of the width. Let's start with the length, twice of it. So 5 plus 5 is 10, so we have 10x squared. Negative 3 plus negative 3 is negative 6, so negative 6x. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Now, twice of the width. So that would be 7 plus 7, 14x. Negative 10 plus negative 10 is negative 20. To get the perimeter, we're going to add these two. So let us add 14x minus 20 here. 10 plus 0 is still 10, so 10x squared. Negative 6x plus 14x is positive 8x. Positive 12 plus negative 20 is negative 8. So the perimeter of the rectangle is 10x squared plus 8x minus 8. Gets? Our next topic will be loss on exponents.